Again, this is just a quick explanation of the Excel 101. Now I know we've talked about this before quite a bit in class, but I want to do it one more time because I know we still have some people that are going to benefit from hearing it again. So in the Excel 101, after you finish your PowerPoint basics, in your work folder is going to be something called Excel Fall 2016. And it's this sheet here. It's actually got 4 different things on it. You're going to need to do at least 3 of them. First step, you need to watch this video. It's the Excel 101 video. Right here is a screenshot of what Excel looks like. You'll see that there are blanks here. You just need to watch this video and it's going to explain you what all of these different arrows are pointing to. And then you just need to come in and fill them in from there, whatever it might be. Once you have done that, the next video and worksheet you need to follow is the Excel formulas tutorial. You're going to open this link right here, the Excel's formula, and watch this video and do these things. It's going to explain to you the types of mathematic operations that Excel can actually do for you. This is very important. If you do not watch this, you're going to struggle on the bank account. So make sure you watch all of this and do all of this. You need to understand how to do formulas. The third thing, and this is the actual graded work, is the bank account activity. You're going to open up this fake bank account and you'll see that it's outlined with some different withdrawals and deposits, and we talked about this the other day, but you'll see that there are debits and credits, balance type. These are just the different types of ways that you spend your money or you get money in. So you'll notice the debit numbers are red numbers. These mean these are actually negative numbers. These numbers are going to be taken away from the overall balance. You can see this first entry for DJ's Diner was $15. My balance changes from first entry to second entry because I've started using that money. The other thing to remember is debit should always think of, you use your debit card to buy things, or if we start looking at this, Casey's is not going to pay me $30.99 to get gas. So it should be a little bit of common sense here. These are the amounts that I have spent in this bank account. On the other hand, you're going to see that I have credit here, and I have a credit for $1,000. And if you look over, it says a deposit and a paycheck. Normally getting paid means you're getting money, so that should be pretty common sense as well. It's important to know the different types to label it, because then when you're doing a budget you can start to understand like how much I need to spend on food, your car bills, that type of thing. So down here are the questions. These questions are going to ask you some various information or various things, and you need to use a formula to answer this. So don't use a calculator and add these up. You need to put a formula by putting equal and then choosing some sort of formula to answer all that. Remember, you could type in the formula, put the parentheses, and then just select all the information you want, and it will do that automatically. The one thing that kids really seem to have trouble with is the sorting the table by type. This is about the only recording that I have that'll teach you how to do it, so please pay attention. So if I want to sort this table, and you can see I have a table, it's the big black dark outline here. I need to grab all of the information in the table, including my headers. Okay, very important to grab that too. You can go from date down to bills, or I can go from bills down to date. I just select and hold. From there, I'm going to go to the Data tab right up here. You'll see that there is a button that says Sort. When I click on it, it's going to say, what do you want to sort by? In this case, I want to do it by the type. It's already A to Z. I hit OK, and you'll see now it changes everything and puts it all together. This makes it a lot easier to determine how much money I spent on food, car, bills, all that different stuff. So sorting a table is really important. The other thing is, when it says put questions 6 through 9 into a table, you're going to take the answers for these 4 questions here and turn it into a table. Now to do that, let's just say I had 45 there, 235 there, 134 here. That's a lot right there. So if I wanted to do this into a table, I can actually select these boxes and only these boxes. by clicking the first box, then holding down the control button, clicking the next box, and the next, and the next. You'll notice when I hold the control, it allows me to select multiple boxes. Again, select the first box, hold down control, and select all of those. From there, I can just go to insert. Here's a pie chart right here, and I can put it in. Now, when I put this in, it's very important. I do not want to leave this chart title and then 1, 2, 3, 4. I can actually come in here, somehow, text options, text fill. Normally I can come in here and edit. So there would be money spent. And then down here, this is going to auto go to 1, 2, 3, 4 because there's no labels here. So I'm not sure if it's going to let me fill it in or not. If it doesn't, that's alright. I'm not too worried about that, but make sure you get a title on it. Call it something. And that's that. And once you're done here, you can go to your own budget. Make sure you save this. Go back here. Your level 4 task is going to be on stocks and figuring out stock prices. You'll have to do some research, create your own graphs. This is entirely on your own. You will not get any teacher assistance on that.